Good morning, everyone. My name is Hughes Lambert, Area Sales Manager for North America at DYNASET. Today, we are going to talk about our international dealer network. For decades, we have been manufacturing a very wide range of innovative hydraulic-driven equipment here in Finland at our factory. It all started in the year 1986 when the founder and owner of the company, Reijo Karppinen, built the first DYNASET innovations at home in his garage. Reijo was ambitious, fearless, and open-minded. From the very beginning, he had this vision to expand the product family so that he would offer the clients a complete set of dynamic solutions to be sold globally. DYNASET products are installed on all types of mobile machineries, vehicles, vessels, all around the world, helping customers to take advantage of these new technology solutions is at the core of our business. DYNASET dealers are our right hand locally on the markets. They are the cornerstone of our sales operations, installation, and service. They help customers to get confidence in our products and adopt our new technologies. Now, let's meet a few of them and hear about their experience being a DYNASET dealer.
Hi, I'm Abhay Kasbekar. I'm the Joint Managing Director of DCS Techno Services from India. Many years ago, while I was walking through our mines, I found that the people were washing the undercarriage of a mining machine. When I went close by and tried to find out how the system was working, I found that the machine was being powered by DYNASET high pressure water pump. And that is when I got to know a little bit about DYNASET. And then I contacted DYNASET, and since then we have been the dealers of DYNASET, and we are very, very proud to be associated with them. DYNASET means a lot to us because they manufacture very innovative products. They are useful for all our customers because we cater mainly to the mining and construction industry of India. So we find that the DYNASET high pressure water or the other products like the generators or welding sets powered by hydraulics, they are very, very useful for our customers working in construction and mining sites. And also the HPW Dust is an amazing product, and lots of customers are now very much interested in that product. So over a period of time, we see a lot of growth prospect for these hydraulically driven products of DYNASET, which are very compact in size and very high in quality. So for more than 15 years, we have been selling DYNASET products in India, and we seldom get any requests for service from the field. Our customers have placed repeat orders, and now the business is growing a much faster rate. So DYNASET today means a lot for us because we see a huge growth prospect selling DYNASET products in India, and we are sure DYNASET will be a household name in India in both the construction and mining market as well as in the other markets where this product can be used.
Hi, we are Luc and Joppe from the family business Carliflex in Belgium. We want you to take a greater look at our company. We are specialized in hydraulic systems and reparations and also in high pressure water cleaning systems.
In 2013, we were strolling at the Matexpo. I saw suddenly a hydraulic generator from DYNASET, and I had a chat with the representative, and I was immediately convinced about the product range.
In the beginning, it was difficult to convince the people of the DYNASET products, but we discovered giving demonstrations helps us a lot. We organized demo days and we participate in Matexpo, a great fair in the Benelux.
We also use the DYNASET installations in our service trucks, so we can give good advice and offer a good service at our clients. Now I can show one of our trucks. As you can see, we have one 10 kVA generator here, then a 1,000-liter piston compressor, and also a hydraulic pressure cleaner. As you can see, in a very small place, we can build it in.
Katharina Morgan. Our company is Hydromec and we are located in Panama. For me, the DYNASET dealerships means a lot and it's very important. And it's something also I feel very proud of because we always find different solutions for many applications. My story with DYNASET began in 2012 because I was part of the team DYNASET in the production area.
Hi everyone, my name is Jorge Cuevas. We are Hydromec from Panama. It's very important to be a dealer because DYNASET have a constant innovation for mobile equipment. My history with DYNASET started in 2013 when I traveled the first time to Finland to DYNASET factory and I met DYNASET family.
Grüezi miteinander. Mein Name ist Andreas Eugster, ich bin technischer Leiter und Geschäftsführer der Firma TerraSystems AG. Wir sind der Schweizer DYNASET-Händler. Seit über 15 Jahren beschäftigen wir uns mit hydraulischen Spezialitäten und vertreiben DYNASET-Produkte. DYNASET ist für uns ein super Partner, sowohl im Verkauf wie auch in der technischen Unterstützung.
Hello. This is Ziad Al-Buredi, Technical Sales Engineer at DYNATRAC Company. Welcome. We are the official dealer for DYNASET products in Egypt, Libya, Algeria, and Tunisia, and most of the Middle East countries. DYNASET for us is a solution. It is the added value for any earth moving.
We started in 2016 when we received a complaint in a scrapyard with customer operating on excavators with a lot of dust and contamination. So we introduced DYNASET high pressure washer dust control. And also we are supporting ROV and subsea companies that are operating under the water with offshore and oil and gas pipe cleaning.
Hi, I'm John Atkinson from Longwall Hydraulics in Australia. Being a DYNASET dealer enables us to offer high quality products and solutions to our existing customers. It also allows us to expand our customer base into a very diverse range of industries by being able to offer the vast array of products from DYNASET. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vilgot and I work at Almas in Sweden. Almas is located 10 miles just west of Stockholm. Our business is to provide the Swedish contractors with the best tools for recycling and demolition, and of course the best service. A normal working day for me is about telling all the customers the fantastic benefits of DYNASET products. For example, the benefits when the customer is being able to use their own existing energy source, the hydraulic power, no extra energy source is needed. How much water pressure you can get out of a HPW pump, the extremely good power ratio. Well, the list of benefits can be made long, very long. The history between Almas and DYNASET extends over 20 years. I was only 3 years old at the time when my CEO sent this fax over to Mr. Reijo Karpinen, the founder of DYNASET. As you can see, it is dated 17th of February, year 2000, and had a request of this hydraulic magnet. You know, the hydraulic magnet that can make everyone having a great day.
So, Are you interested in improving your work efficiency with hydraulic equipment? Our international dealer network operates on every continent. I invite you to go to www.dynaset.com/contact and find your local dealer from the map. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
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 Merci vielmals.
Have a great day.
And have a great day.
From all of us here at Almas, to all of you, have a great day and hyvä Suomi.